Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. The Marzano Teachers Evaluation Model, developed by Dr. Robert Marzano, is a research-based framework designed to improve teacher effectiveness and student learning. It focuses on 4 key domains, each addressing different aspects of teaching. Let's break down them with real-life examples to make them easy to understand. Domain number 1. Classroom strategies and behaviors. This domain covers the instructional strategies teachers use daily to engage students and enhance learning. For example, a teacher might use non-linguistic representations like diagrams or hand gestures to help students understand a complex science concept, such as the water cycle. Another strategy is providing feedback. If a student struggles with a math problem, the teacher offers specific guidance on where they went wrong and how to improve. These techniques are grounded in research and directly impact student achievement. Domain number 2. Planning and preparing. Effective teaching starts with thoughtful planning. This domain emphasizes designing lessons that align with learning goals and students' needs. Imagine a history teacher preparing a unit on the Civil War. They might plan varied activities, discussions, primary source analysis, and a project to cater to different learning styles. They also consider resources like videos or guest speakers to deepen understanding. Good planning ensures lessons run smoothly and students stay engaged. Domain number 3. Reflecting on teaching. Great teachers constantly reflect on their practice. After a lesson, a teacher might ask, did students grasp the key concepts? What worked well? And what could be improved? For instance, if a reading lesson didn't hold students' attention, the teacher might decide to incorporate more group discussions next time. Reflection helps teachers adapt and grow, leading to better outcomes for students. Domain number 4. Collegiality and professionalism. Teaching is not done in isolation. This domain focuses on collaboration and professional behavior. A teacher might mentor a new colleague, sharing strategies for classroom management, or they could participate in a school-wide initiative to improve literacy rates, working with peers to analyze data and implement new techniques. Being a team player and upholding high ethical standards creates a positive school culture. In summary, the Marzano model helps teachers and administrators focus on what truly works in the classroom. By mastering research-backed strategies, planning effectively, reflecting on practice, and collaborating with others, educators can continuously improve and ensure students succeed. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.